Hello guys! Welcome to the 6th chapter of LinkedIn Marketing Hero, which is all about LinkedIn groups. In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to set up a LinkedIn group. LinkedIn groups are a great place on LinkedIn to promote your business, products or services, connect with your old and new customers, and expand your network. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Determine the objective of your LinkedIn group. Think of the reasons why you are creating a group on LinkedIn. Is it for sharing information with your departmental group, project team, employment network, or for lead generation? There are lots of reasons you can use a group for. Write down what is your reason. Tip number 2. How can this group help and give value to its members? Make a list and write a short description of this topic, so it will be clear what type of content you can share with your members, as well as the content that you would expect them to post here. Add keywords that are related to your business or industry so that your group will be seen more in search results. Tip number 3. Set the rules for the group so that members can expect the limitations and what kind of posts are allowed. Let's go to our LinkedIn account and see how to set up a LinkedIn group. Under the Work menu, click Groups. Click Create a New Group button. Here you can input the details of your group. Input the group name. About this group, we should answer the question, what is the purpose of your group? And group rules to set the tone and expectations of your group. Under Privacy, you can set this to Standard or Unlisted. For Standard, the group will be visible in search results and members can invite other members to join, while Unlisted does not make your group appear in search results and only group admins can invite members to join. Click the camera icon to upload the logo for your group. Also, you can click the pencil icon to upload the cover photo for your group. Once you're done, click the Create button. LinkedIn groups provide a place where you can promote your business with the products and services you offer. Having a LinkedIn group will make you create a place where you can get leads for your business. If you own the group, you will make yourself be known and people will be aware of who you are. The group will have similar interests, so you are expanding your network and you can market to your ideal audience. Now that you have learned these tips about how to set up a LinkedIn group, it's time to proceed to the next topic, which is how to grow your LinkedIn group. See you there!
Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to grow your LinkedIn group. LinkedIn groups will be much more helpful to your business once you have gained a huge number of followers for your business. Follow these tips to help you grow your LinkedIn group. Tip number 1. Promote your group on your website and other social media networks. It's easier to promote on other social media platforms since posting in direct messaging on other people are not limited. You can message your followers to join your group by giving them your LinkedIn group URL. Tip number 2. Find someone who could be the admin of your group. He could be an employee from your business or a trusted colleague. You can also ask your employees to join the group as they can add to the number of members of your group. You will need help to manage your group in the future when it grows. Tip number 3. On your LinkedIn profile, create engaging content that will make the viewers of your post have the urgency to join your group. They will learn the benefits of joining and being a member of the group, since it's free and they will be engaging with the same like-minded people on LinkedIn. Tip number 4. Make sure to include a call to action link that directs people to your LinkedIn group, so that it will be easier for them to find your group and request to join. Tip number 5. Request invite to your LinkedIn connections. If you have selected connections where these are people you know, you have worked with before, or your current colleagues and employer, you can invite them to join your group. They are your first level connections where you can directly message them on LinkedIn. Tip number 6. Search for a group on LinkedIn similar to your group. Join that group and once you're a member, make sure to contribute valuable information to the group. Later, you can invite connections inside the group who comments on your group posts and replies on your post comments as they have engaged with you. Growing your LinkedIn group will help your business create a network full of targeted audience. By providing content that will help your members, will give them a sense that they are happy to be part of the group. Later, they will promote your group and invite connections they know to join your group, causing your network to continue expanding. Now that you have learned these tips about how to grow your LinkedIn group, it's time to proceed to the next topic, which is how to manage your LinkedIn group. See you there! Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to manage your LinkedIn group. It is important to manage your group so that it will maintain the harmony of your group discussion and continuous growth of the group. Here are some tips you can follow. Tip number 1. Screen every profile of those who request for joining the group. When you check everybody's profile, you will be able to make sure that you have checked everyone to be a suitable candidate for being a member of the group. It will save you time to filter spams and lurkers who would just promote sales pitch within your group. Tip number 2. Be an active moderator. Once you have manually checked every request to join your group, send a welcome message to new members. In that way, they will appreciate you taking the time to send them a personalized message. Tip number 3. Enforce the group rules consistently. You must be able to implement your group rules at all times. It's up to you if you will give a warning or kick the rule benders right away. Doing so will let everyone know that they should respect the rules if they want to stay as a member of the group. If you have assigned other members as an admin, make sure that he will also moderate the group and be tough to those who would not respect the rules. Tip number 4. Be on the lookout for promotion of products or services that are not related to the group. These people might be joining groups just to advertise their sales pitch. Tip number 5. Be on the lookout for people who offend other members, as these people will just destroy the harmony of your group discussion. You can handle them properly by messaging them privately and give instructions so they could avoid such dilemma. Tell them that we want to keep our group united. Remind them that we want to keep our community full of positive topics to discuss. So continue managing your LinkedIn group so it will continue to grow and expand. Now that you have learned these tips about how to manage your LinkedIn group, it's time to proceed to the next topic, which is keeping your LinkedIn group active and engaging. See you there!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.